Rolls-Royce has unveiled the latest item in its portfolio of collectibles, a new Cellarette. The whiskey holder and cigar humidor only costs $55,000. It has a polished aluminium chassis wrapped in Havana leather. Cellarette fits into the trunk of any of its Rolls-Royce cars. The Cellarette has a light inside. That light emits a warm ambient glow that plays against the Armagnac leather. It has hand-blown lowball whiskey glasses with an Rolls-Royce monogram. The Armagnac leather-lined bottle pannier can adapt to different bottle sizes thanks to a magnetic strap. There's also a cigar humidor, made of Spanish cedar wood. This holds the cigars at a selected humidity, to preserve them in the best way possible. You can check the humidity with a hygrometer, which is like the clock in a Rolls-Royce. There are two additional containers, one that holds a cigar cutter and lighter, and another that holds an ashtray. The cutter and lighter also are engraved with the Spirit of Ecstasy expression.